Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon. Good afternoon. What up, Chris? What up? What up? What up? How you doing? Congratulations on your first payout. That's amazing. Always cool to get your first payout. Indicate us. Let's go. Coach Fred, what is up? We are here trying to get these levels on the ES put in and then mark them out on my chart. Read what they mean, you know, in the next, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes here until we get the open. We got time. No rush. We got time. I don't think there's going to be influx of volatility. Anyway. Same as input. I don't understand. Like, what? Okay, there it is. Apply. Okay. All right. Got them in here. Any contacts at Apex? Yeah, of course. What do we need? What do we need, Austin? What do we need? I got contacts, but we don't know if they'll do anything. But we can try. All right. Let's get this stuff set up. So let's mark out these levels here on the ES. First level down, 75.33. Let's read together, okay? 75 is a very important support. We lost on Thursday and sold off. We've been defending support of this range all week. Quick traps below, and we did so again last evening. Oh, 74.73. Most of it's our trades occur at the edges of the range, since this is where trapping occurs. When you can get your $3,000 from opting out, yeah, I don't mind. I can send a message. Send me a DM, Austin, if you will, on Discord, or send me an email, either or, whichever you prefer, and with your email for Apex, and I'll ask. So 75.33 is the first down. Nothing for me to engage here, as there is no significant low present. If you're desperate to trade, at least wait for this region to probe below and recover. Below there, 75.06. We set a significant low there today at 9:30. 75.06. The failed breakdown of this area is actionable. Bonus if we tag 74.92 on the flush, but not necessary. So that's our first real kind of actionable trade area. Either the failed breakdown or that. Let's see there. Below there is 74.73. This was the low of the day. Friday and Monday. Big shuffle lows here. Watch for the failed breakdown of this. If bulls can't stick this, we very likely collapse. So 74.73 below there. But yeah, I mean, we already know these levels. The 06 is a new one. So, but everything else pretty much new, right? Or pretty much the same. What up, Tony? This means that any longs below here, do not be shocked if they just go a level or even less than fail. Be quick with take profits. The next quality long is not until 74.08 below there. And we have 08 marked out already. We do. So, yeah, let's see. Bull case tomorrow. ES remains range bound. It has been all month. Support down at 74.73 is held the last evening after a quick trap. Resistance is up at 76.27 inside this range. 75 is a critical level, which we lost on Thursday. 75.75. The bull case is very simple. If bulls can fill this to the upside more, ideally this means on any dips no lower than 33 or a quick trap below 75.06. From there we head up to 75. Perhaps a dip there and then on up above there. Bear case begins below 74.73. There you go. Be nice to have good price action, Trading Star. What up, Roa? How's it going? Miss K in the house. All right, let's get the, well, first let me get my other chart open. Let me make sure I got the ES on. The copy trader still set up. I didn't turn my computer off, so it should still be on. Yeah, it is. All right. It is. We've got about 8 minutes until open here, so we're going to be patient. If we get a trade, we'll take it. You might see me be very patient tonight, guys. Very, very patient. Let's take a look at gold over here. Do we have anything interesting? You got a level here on gold. Not loving that level. I mean, the levels on gold are pretty widespread at this point, right? Pretty widespread. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much it. I do think that this level at 4,071.3 would probably get a decent bounce there. Mike could let me put this on something that we can actually trade. Copy all. We can go Bulenox on this. Wouldn't mind taking a trade on my Bulenox. I don't remember if I can trade micros on Bulenox on gold. I don't remember that. Apex last code. Yes, today the 90% does end. It was, Chris. That's what that was. We have changed the name in the Discord too, guys. It just says important ES levels. What up, iTrades? And there's a reason for that, guys. We don't want to be stepping on anybody's toes, so we're gonna kind of. I mean, while I'm not hiding the fact that those are the levels that I'm using, and you guys know that, I don't want to, rub anybody the wrong way. So, not that I care, but you guys know what I mean. What's up, Backdoor Bandit? That's you, Keith. That's you. That's all you. All right. So we got everything marked out on the ES here. I'll kind of I'll pull it over here just for a moment, kind of show you guys. I just draw it out with, just draw it out here with this. So basically, if you're itching to trade, if we get a little probe below here and then you get the failed breakdown of the 33, you could take it. You know, if we're rating these kind of A, B, and C, that would be C, right? And then this would be B, the B setup. And then this down here would be your A setup. Now, I think either of these is fine, A or B. This would probably be like A plus and A minus. So, yeah. Let's see kind of what we get it open and go from there. Now, I might take that C setup on a funded account, just a single funded account. But that's it. Yeah, we're probably chopping, Keith. What's up, Tony? No trading yet. Yeah. What up, Andy? Well, let's look at, I'm on the 5-minute. Oh, I'm still on gold. Let's take a look at what we actually did today. I mean, on the 4-hour, I'm still kind of watching that 396 area for a potential rejection, you know. But we didn't quite make it up there. Pushed up to 378. Certainly the 4-hour looks very bullish, right? At least in terms of this last 10 candles or so. But if we fib this, we actually tapped into equilibrium here. So what happens in the next, hour, 2 hours will kind of give us an idea. Looking bull flaggy here on the hourly. Looking bull flaggy. That's how like choppy we were today. There's no gaps at all on the hourly until you get all the way down here. Right? And this is, of course, the low of the day here. So we'll mark that out. What up, futures? Look at the daily candle before today. I swear that candle usually leads to a big up day. The daily candle, let me see. If I got the daily. I'll never look at the daily, but we'll take a look at it. We got a few minutes. Oh, kind of a shooting star. We did tap a daily gap here too. We pushed pretty deep into it. We did push pretty deep into that daily gap. All right, what do we got here? About a minute and 20 seconds. What up, son of Wall Street? How's it going? Nothing but time. That's right. Good morning, Alexi. As you guys come in here, please hit the like button. Thank you. So yeah, we'll see what we get here. I think I got everything set up. ATM strategy are all set. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Almost looking like it wants to roll over here, but I have a feeling it's going to be slow. Yeah, Google's reporting tomorrow. I mean, that's the thing. Like, tonight could be very slow. It might just be a sit here and watch kind of night, and we may do that. All right, let's see what happens. Gap up. That's not favorable for us. In terms of, we like the gap down. So, yeah, we'll see. ES pulling back 40s here, 42s. 42, 42.
New life for your
Oops, I never switched it to my headphones. Let's do that. All right. Kind of feel the gap. Let me get this. Let me do. Let me figure out which one I want to do here. $40 stop loss. And then that ES chart. Did I ever change that over? I did. Okay. Oh, I didn't change this over, did I? I didn't change that over, did I? Which one was I was going to put on? I was going to put one. I think it's okay. You the man, Holy Grail. You the man, you the man, you the man. All right, 2.5 minutes in here. Yeah, still pulling back. Looking, first 5-minute candle so far looking red. All right, still kind of pulling back here. 5-minute candle's going to close in just over a minute. Kind of a flat top on that opening 5-minute candle there, which is a little scary for shorts. A little scary. Yes, already trying to pop. I kind of feel like back above 300 this thing runs here, but back above like 302. Runs back up and kind of takes care of that wick, that bald candle. Oh. Well, let's see what happens. See kind of how it reacts, I guess. What is the pen race? The penis race. The penis race. What up, design? Aramec, how's it going? It's a penis race. Difficult to pull the trigger short here, to be honest. Yeah. A little bit difficult. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Very, very, very muted open. Very slow. We'll see what we get. If we get anything. But yeah, Chris, I'll show you. This race is created by Sean. So you've probably already seen it. I don't know if you've been watching Sean or not. Over there at, what you call it? That place. So this is it here. It's a penis race. You're that one right there, Chris. That's you. 100%. The man was hiding in Thailand. He found Joom. Yeah, he found him. He found Joom hiding in Thailand. I mean, I kind of feel like if we pop 300 here, we probably can kind of squeeze up. I might, we may try it. We may try it. May try it. I don't want to do anything too dumb. Get myself in a situation where I'm chasing price. We don't want to do that. Chasing the products. Design was on vacation with Joom. That's the problem. They slept in the bed together and touched each other. I'm not saying how, but you know, they did. They gave each other the warm and fuzzies. The warm and fuzzicles. Man, kind of interesting here. Oh. I'm not really looking to 309. Gave back rubs on the beach and whispered sweet nothings until the sun came up. Nice. Nice. I might try a long here, guys. If we get a little harami print on the 5-minute, I may take a long. Let's stop at the low. Let me a little risky. So no harami there. It did not happen. Very, very slow moving. Very, very slow moving here. ATR of 10. I'm looking for anything to tell me that I might should get long, but I'm not finding anything so far. We're not finding it. Not finding it. No, nothing to do right here, right now, guys. This is very. I kind of felt like we were going to have a pretty slow night with the earnings tomorrow, and no real news, and 500-point move overnight last night, and not really great price action today during New York. Not that it was horrible. I mean, it just kind of grinded up. Oh, a full nude beach. Let's go. A fully nude beach. All right. All right, minute 48 left on this 5 minute. If we can get a candle close on the 5 minute above, say, well, I mean, really just above 293, but might get an inside bar. Yeah, waste of time. Buy the dip day. I'll go over the ES levels again one more time. I'll go over the ES levels one more time in just a moment. I'm going to take this long on the 5 minute here. If we close up here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get long here and target the 310. Stop's going to be at the low. So getting long here. Stop will go to break even, or I may even take it off at like 306 or something like that. If we can pop through there. What, bro?
I bit my lip.
Oh, poor thing.
It's bleeding.
Her bit her lip. Oh. It's bleeding.
It was.
Bleeding over here. I'll punch it.
I'm not seeing.
What's up, Adam? Yeah, I am longing right into the 21 on the 5, which is not what I normally do, but I think that I think we come up here and take out this bald candle. This bald candle. We're not asking for much here, NQ, just an 8-ball and $2 million, as Husk would say. Do I just take the 5 points? Man, I don't know. I mean, I am in a mini here. I think one more shove above 302.50. I'm just going to go stop to break even here. Come on now. Where's the pop? Why ain't we moving? Get through there, bro. What are you doing? I'm watching the ES here. It's pretty close to the top of that candle already. So definitely going to go to break even if it hits it. So it's only like 1 point away right now. I think you're really kind of holding up here. Feel like it might just wick right through there. I'll move this back up. New 5-minute candle, 15 seconds. 15 seconds, 5 seconds. New candle coming up. Is it going to go? Come on. Get through there. All right, we're about to go break even, guys, if ES hits 45.50. The only thing I don't like about this is like right into the 21 EMA. All right, double top there on the ES. I'm going break even. Need it to just pop through there. Otherwise, we're just, yeah. Oh, well, is what it is. All right, let's go over the ES levels right quick. If you didn't catch the ES levels earlier, here they are. 75.33 is the first down. This is a C setup. Not great. Want to see the failed breakdown of this level. If you are, if you just got a trade, you're like, I just want to trade tonight. Okay, the failed breakdown of 33 is a C setup. The failed breakdown of 75.06 is a B setup, but it can be an A setup if it sweeps 92 and then recovers 75.06. So sweep of 92, recovery of 06 is a B setup or an A setup, or just the failed breakdown of 75.06 is a B. The A++ setup is the sweep of 7473 and the recovery. So the failed breakdown of 7473 is the A setup. So far, we haven't gotten anything, but that's what we're looking for. So, recap, 75.33, 75.06, 74.73. Those are the important levels. What up, P-Long? Let's see. Let's hit that like button. You can see how ES kind of pulling back off that. I don't know. If I was in a funded account there too, it's like, how much room do I really want to give it? Right into the 21 EMA. For the A+ setup, Alexi, yeah, you'd pretty much have to get back down to the lows. I mean, you can take 75.70. You can take 75.33 if you wanted to, but like, man. I mean, if we're just ultra bullish, that could just be a play, but ooh, good thing I exited, huh? Good thing we exited. 21 EMA on the 5-minute, doing work. Doing work. Woo. There you go. Doing work. Good thing we exited. I told you guys. I told you guys. The market maker called me and said, exit myth. And I said, gotcha. Move your stop to break even. I said, no problem. Just never got up there. It tried. It tried. Almost tapped into that 5-minute gap. Not quite. 5-minute gap on the way down here. Let's get some music going. I need something to... A little tired. $29,246. Yeah. You got a swing down there at like 254. All right, let's get something going here. Let's get some music going. Why not? $27 minutes of nothing so far. 27 minutes of nothing. Of course, I don't know what we expected, right? Got to get the volume right. That's the most I dance. All right, we're back in that 5-minute gap. We did, one thing of note, we did tap into a daily gap up there on the way up. So I don't know. Myth soup. ES down to the 40 here, guys. You might get the 33 level. I don't know if that's good enough to take on a funded. I might have to wait on it. Maybe I'll take it on 1. Go for the 5 points. We'll see. Maybe take it on the Apex funded. This is 1 to 2 mini weather. Trading this low of an ATR is tricky. Tricky for me too. 1 to 2 minis? Dang. What are you going for, Jamie? Like 2-3 points? There's some push down. What up, Donna? ES still at the 40. So we see how we react to like the 54 level on the NQ. Did not quite run it. 5 plus. Yeah, you're probably not wrong. Should probably lower mine down to like 5 points. I mean, I don't think we didn't run this. We can kind of use this for bias. Couple of obvious wicks down here. This, oh, no, it is. This is your lunchtime low. Or I'm sorry, lunchtime, yeah, low. Yeah, for sure, biblical. We are. I used to just short the lunchtime low, 25 point stop, 25 point take profit with pretty good. It used to work pretty good. Maybe we should try that. Do we try that tonight? Like a short 254.25 with a 25 point stop and 25 point take profit. Can be anywhere from 2 micros to 2 minis. Dang. I mean, makes sense. Better yet, they know. Got a couple of max barks. So we could short up here. Same kind of idea. Yeah, 20 point stop. I might try it. I mean, what have we done since we kind of hit that daily gap? What have we done? Hit the daily gap. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So in keeping with that sort of theme, we'll try it. What up, Miss Trend? $312 could be swept then down. Yeah, well, let's hope not, since I'm short. I'm gonna see if we take out that lunchtime low. It's kind of an obvious wick. Five-minute opening high. Gotcha. Yeah, makes sense. I do think eventually we might go back up there. I think maybe we need to sweep the 254 first, but I could be wrong. I'm just I'm just going off of like the market repeats itself over and over and over, right? So kind of what I just marked out there, lower highs, lower lows. Keep going with that sort of idea. We'll see if it wants to sweep it. I don't know, and it might be a good idea to just take 10 points, but uh, it's all right. We got a 20-point stop. I really could move it up probably another 10 points or so. You're going along 250? I don't hate it. I really don't. What up, Mo? What up, Mind the Dave? Good night. Let me look at something right quick. Let's check something out. Oh, really, Mo? Yeah, it was pretty slow. Did you try hitting the like button yet, guys? Am I checking out the Coke can? I am. I'm looking at his old videos. His old video. I saw it. It's a pretty good video, but I can tell you he's lying about the extra large part. He's saying he has this, but he really has this. Oh, it's not about the size. Oh, shit. You've been talking to other men. Oh,
Hurting for a squirtin'?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hurting for a squirtin'. I wrote that.
Oh, so you wrote hoe for show.
Yeah, I remember that girl. She was a hoe. For show.
You are never gonna meet anybody with that kind of mentality about women, you sick son of a bitch.
Who the fuck are you to put me on trial? I've never even met you. So why don't you back the shit off, all right? And stop with the Inquisition.
That's how you talk?
You know what? I don't have to answer to you. You ain't my bitch. Know what I'm saying? So shit, man. Fuck it.
You shouldn't even be hanging out with this pervert.
I don't hang out with him.
Yeah.
Is this yours? Did you write this stuff?
oh my goodness. 40-year-old virgins classic. Classic. It's classic. Classic stuff there. Can't make it up. It might do it before 7. We'll see. All right. Decent reaction there, 269. New 15-minute candle there, starting to send us lower here. Why is it always got to get right there and just start tickling it? I'm taking it off. What's my code? MM. Yeah, Kevin, I still like them. I'm still trading with them. I got, I'm using them right here. Mulinox. The 90% off might end tonight. Might. Still didn't hit. Just kind of playing around there. ES is at a level of support, though, 39. Yeah, exactly, Alexi. I don't think it still didn't take it. What up, design? Missed it by 50 cents. Yeah, there we go, biblical. Bam, there we go. It took it there. I'm not fighting over like 2 ticks there, 3 ticks. I was just like, oh, well, I'll just take it. Let's see what kind of reaction we get there. I actually wouldn't mind this going a bit lower here. It may not, but I wouldn't mind it doing it. We just over here watching some talk of tick. All right, this would be a decent long here, guys. This wouldn't be bad. This wouldn't be bad. Delivery from a 5-minute.
Nobody got me pussy whipped. I whips pussy.
Oh, you're long. Good luck. So sweep of liquidity. I mean, we're certainly not in discount by any stretch of imagination, but if we get decent momentum through here, we could take it. Oh, wait, actually, that would be the break even. You will add at 235. I don't think we get there. I actually kind of think this might move here, but I mean, I mean, we're looking at the ES down to the 75.33 potentially, but yeah, we're right here at it. Secondary one down there too, yeah. So we'll see here. I'm watching some TikTok. It's interesting how somebody can just squat in your house without you doing anything about it, right? Again, kind of back into a larger time frame gap here. We'll see kind of what happens. Can't do TikTok. You'll never come out. I watch it just, I don't know. Some of the stuff's funny. Watching Bobby Lee's on here right now. Bad Friends. Bad Friends. Grinding back up here, guys. Not going yet. Just grinding. I am going to download that Lucid app. I do like that. Be able to like take a trade on my phone if I'm like out. If I see a trade on the phone, we could take it on the Lucid accounts. I wonder if a copy trader works on that or if it's just one account at a time. Do they got some sort of copy trader you can use on that? Oh, this is a funny one.
You want to tell me why the fuck you just pulled me over back there?
He said white people get out of the car when the
Get back in the car!
when the cops pull you over.
Niggas get pulled over and call their mama. Mama, they behind me. Oh, Lord. I told you to get your license. You ain't got one of them old ass mama. Where you at? She tell your daddy, Ray, they got him. Them black daddies be glad you going to jail. That's good enough for us, Dad. Let him go down there and clean that shit up. This is good.
You can't copy trade? Oh, dang. I thought we might get along there. Big rejection off the 21 there, guys. One live. That's one thing I do like about Take Private. What, you can have 5, right? Yeah, my gaps. Still just holding right here, 75.39 on ES. Three innings after getting 1 tick. Woof. Jamie went big, had to go heavy. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. I don't know what that is, but if we close here, I'm going to take it. Let me shoot over to the 1 minute right quick, take a quick peek. So the 1 minute just closed above. I'm going to go ahead and jump in off the strength of the 1 minute here, I believe. We're going to go 3 micros. Going to go 1 here. 1 up here. And we'll just go kind of that previous day close. 290 level. Stop to break even will be 281. I'm not going to target 281 because it's not 10 points. But that will be stop to break even, 281 there. Love that momentum. 5 minute initial balance high incoming. Could be. Was that a Trump comment? Hopefully the top of the hour takes us there. A bit of a pullback here. You just want 305. I don't know what I was targeting up there. That 310, 311 on the 5 minute. Very interesting spot. I mean, very good momentum there. 1, 2, all closed above. I mean, it should just go here if it's going to go. Inside bar on the 5, indeed. It did trigger. We had an inside bar with a flat top candle too on the 5. I would have got in sooner if I'd known that. 4.5 points. Do top of the hour here. Let's see what it does, if anything. Next push through 275 should kind of go if it's going to. If it loses, nothing we can do about it. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, we got good momentum. We took it. We swept some liquidity. You know, it's not bad delivering from a 5 minute gap. So if it loses, it loses. Can't be upset about it. Certainly not the reaction that you hope for when you enter the trade, right? Not the reaction you're looking for. Oh. Let's just squeeze higher. Come on, you can do it. All right. What can you do? Tap the inside bar. See if we can squeeze here above 75. Not a ton of momentum here. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you're not wrong, Mo. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. So NQ pushed up to 75 there. MNQ didn't. Squeeze that thing up. Come on, go. Get through there. I entered the trade over here on NQ as well on my funded account, but I got just a static 10-point stop. So might get stopped on that. Not really willing to give it more room. Yeah, stopped out on that. Yeah, tomorrow night probably will be. That's not what we want to see there. Not sure what that is, but not a very bullish reaction. Oh. What up, Lassifer? Trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient. I still think it goes. Could be wrong, though. Hasn't stopped out yet, so. Little short-term trend line here, kind of engineering some liquidity here. Maybe I should have given the trade a little more room over here. Higher lows on the 5. Yeah, a little trend line on the 5 too. But to the downside there, huh? It's kind of a tricky spot here. Interesting here. Yeah, Madman, I'm kind of looking at it. I'm not in love with it because it's kind of generating, it's kind of a bear flag here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah. Just holding below the 21 here, guys. Not one to go. Wow. Trader Oracle in the house. What up, Oracle? What you up to? I don't know what that was, but we'll take it. If we get above 81 here, I may jump in over here on the other account again. There's that low volume manipulation, yeah. All right, let's see if it can go. Should run that 290, I think. I mean, it should. It's kind of run that wick up there, I think. Should run that wick. 290. Maybe. Should get up there and run that wick. Let's see. $312. We need it. $312 would be good. New 5-minute candle in 1 minute. Get through 282 here and get up there. Squeeze this thing up there. You're going for that wick too? Yeah. It may not. All right, stopped out. Get up there. Run to that 310 here. There we go. Start squeezing. New 5-minute candle here. Above the 21 EMA here on the 5. Barely. Getting a little twitchy here. Still want to see it run that wick. Pop up into the 310s there. Come on, do it. Go. Rip it. Rip that shit. Get up there. I want to see a big candle through there too. Get through that 290. Give us a big candle. Go. Pop it. Pop it. Unable to do it. Yeah, that's Trade Oracle. Unable to get above that 50 EMA and the 21 on the 5. Just unable to do it. How many tries is it going to take? Day Trader, he still has a a Discord. It's just private. He still trades. Trades every day live in the Discord. All right, this could just be a spot where we dump here, potentially. Oh, man, we left that wick up there, though, man. Gosh, it's got to take that wick, does it not? I don't know. I just feel like it's got to take that wick, but it'll take it tomorrow. Come on, squeeze it up through there. Squeeze through there. Squeeze through there. I want to see us run to the 310. Run to the 310 here. Get through there. Run that thing to the 310. Just pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Get that run into the 310 here. I'll drop a link in a minute. You took 4 points, Jamie. John Sakaris, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Still in over here. Go! Rip it! Rip that shit up there. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's so hot for sure. Get up there. Come on. How's it going to come all the way up there and not take this candle? Oh, nah, day trader. He's good to go. Good to go. Good old T.O. Let's go. Been a member for 14 months. Thank you, T.O. Took half at 300. Yeah, I scaled out already too. I was in 3. Come on, get up there. Do me good. Let's get up there. Just about break even. I like it. I know it's going to hit the 310. Yeah, and a TO trades he trades every day. He trades live every day. Oh, this thing's gonna go. All right, guys. Once we get back above here, I'm gonna lock in 5 points. I think, or well, actually, 5 points would be there. So I guess I can't. I want to see it go. I want to see it just quick. There's I don't know. What up, Mighty Mouse? 1 minute left on this candle. I kind of want to move the stop down, but here's the thing. Like, this got generated liquidity down here too, or engineered liquidity. It could just run back through that as well before going higher. So I can't really move the stop. Needs to go bullish engulfing here. What up, Option? Come on. I knew that's going to happen. I knew that was going to happen, guys. May re-enter. Might re-enter. All right. Hey, Brian, or Brain, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Are we going to get an interjection again of energy to bounce here? I don't know. All right, starting to bounce here. What do those big words mean? I don't know. What up, Trader 007? See if this thing can bounce here. Get back above the 90, squeeze back into that 300 level. $293. I want to see this push back into the 300. We got another flat top candle there. If we can get through there, I think we might just rip higher. Do we get we got a new 15, 30-minute candle coming up. Come on, pop through the 300 here. Go. Jump back in. Jump back in. I want to see a big candle through here. Looks like a double top. Yeah, it kind of does, but I don't know. I think we move higher, but I could be wrong. Let's see if we can push. I really shouldn't go break even until it breaks that 300, but you think we're going higher? Yeah. Kind of feels like it, but two inside bias. Let's break. Let's break to the upside. Let's see a bigger candle here. We get about 300 here. We should get a decent sized candle, but come on, rip it. Get this thing through that 200 or 300 level and let's just go. Squeeze it. Squeeze. There we go. That's the right direction, but now it's got to pop it. It's got to pop it. It's got to pop it. No? I mean, I don't know what I'm expecting. It's a 10-point ATR. There we go. Come on. The patience or the lack of patience is getting to me here. Do I just take my 10 points? I'll take something. I'm not leaving here with nothing. I'm from around the way. I ain't leaving here with nothing. I mean, I was expecting a big candle, but we just kind of rejected at the same wick that we hit earlier. Move the stop below most recent inside buy. I don't know. You're probably right, but oh. Yeah, I got in at the bottom, yeah. I mean, my stop's in profit. All right, stopped out. Just couldn't go, guys. Couldn't go. Let's hit that like button, guys, if we haven't already. Dang, diabolical. All right, all right. What up, Chris? Hit the likes and the subscribes. Let's go. Trey says, dump it. We don't want to dump it. What up, Trader 007? All right. It's going to go up. Yeah, you're not wrong. I'll tell you what. I'm going to go 1 micro here. I'm going to go 1 micro. You'll take 420? Yeah. Here's the problem, guys. Look at this trend line here. I don't love it. Could go down. We'll see. You're in from the 250s. I like it. Come on, come on. I just think it's going to that 309, 310 area. Little volatility coming in. Got it over 250 and went and didn't take it. Dang. I'm tempted to stab long one more time over here with a mini. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try for 5 points here. Need 294 for the 5 points. Give it... I'm going to put the stop at the swing low here. Try to get 5 points here. We're basically break even on this account. See if we can get it to green. No. Stopped out over here. This could be where we dump. I don't know. Whale, what is that? What do we need? 286. Day trader, I don't know. I'll check it out. Hold on. Check it out in a minute. I want to see us at least push back to like 286, 290s. Considering an ad here. Five-minute is testing a trend line. Austin, I'll check it in a minute as well. Let's see. Yeah, day traders. It's not great. Is this thing gonna hold this trend line? It might. There we go. Can we squeeze here? Can it get back above this little trend line here? It really didn't close below it on the 5. Come on, squeeze that thing back through the 310s. Yeah, Austin, I got your email. Squeeze this thing through there. Come on, go. Let's go to that 310 now. 309, 310 area. Little short trap there. Bull flag on the 5. Come on, get through there. Go. Oh, come on. What are we doing? There's Max barking. Does that get us going? Do we get the Max indicator? Let's go. Squeeze this thing. 310s. 309s, whatever. What up, Troop? Trying to see if we can squeeze this thing. Squeeze this thing. Get it through there. Trap the shorts. Trap the shorts. Trap the shorts. Man, if we could, gosh, get back through 300 here, it would be so good. Yeah, I'm watching NQ. Watching NQ here. Still at the trend line here. Got to break this little trend line and go. New 5-minute candle. New 5-minute candle. Enter the macro here. 10 minutes till 8. Come on, squeeze this thing up there, man. Get through there. There we go. That's a good reaction. Come on, get through there. Gotta pop that 300. We go. Come on, rip that thing. Squeeze, guys. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Man, if we don't hit that 309 this time, holy cow. Go. Pop that thing through there. Get through the 300. Let's go. Squeeze it till it pops. That's right. Come on. Oh, you got to be kidding me, man. You got to be kidding me. That rejection. Oh, man, that's so bad. Ah. So annoying. See that huge gap at 282? It's definitely coming back there. Just didn't sweep it. Just didn't want to go. Frustrating. Feels to me like we might push down to 253. Yeah, 300 keeps rejecting. Exactly. It's annoying. Hmm. I don't know what to do here, guys. Yeah, we got one at the high though too, though biblical on the 5 minute at 310 on the NQ. Mm-hmm. Look at this thing popping right back up. Uh, bullish engulfing on the 5 there. Well, see if it holds. Yeah, it is, Alexi. Let's see if it square. Let's see if it squeezes. I don't know. Let's see if it squeeze. uh, oh my God. Listening to Theo Vaughn. It's paying 300 to 280. Yeah. I'm still long. I mean, I'm just holding, but you know, I want to see a blast through there, honestly. Get through to 300 here. Squeeze it. That would be nice. Squeeze back into the 300 before we hit the 8 o'clock would be fine by me too. At least hit 302. Maybe. Come on. Really? Go. All right, let's see what happens here. Less than a minute. I'm in over here, got stop at break even, 291.50. Want to see the squeeze over here too. I'll be done with this account for today if it hits. Let's go. Nice job, P-Long. Come on. Come on. Don't pull back on me. Rip it. Come on. Go. Rip it. So NQ, M and Q hit. NQ did not hit. All right, whatever. I mean, look at that M and Q candle versus the NQ. Nice big wick there on the M and Q, but not on the NQ. NQ didn't run it. See if NQ eventually runs through that 310 area. Don't know. All right. Looks like NQ might hit. Just all right, NQ's about to hit. There we go. Well, almost. Still did not hit it. There it is. There it is. There it is, guys. There it is. Very tough night for me. Struggle on the Bulenox funded, but $60. I mean, we'll have to take it. 115 on the My Funded Futures Pro. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway here. Let's do the giveaway. We got to get the likes up first. What's gold doing? I forgot to even look at gold tonight. I forgot I was going to trade gold. All right, still didn't hit any significant level. Gold didn't. Could just long gold here. NQ back to the highs. Look at this thing go. Put me through all that torture and then just goes. The thing is, guys, you know how many times I got stopped out chasing that 310? Like with multiple times, multiple minis, 1 mini, 2 mini, 3 minis. Just, I was up 25 points with with two minis a few minutes ago. Didn't take any profit, and it came back down and stopped me out. Just, what can you do? All right. Did we get the likes up? We got 53 likes. Come on, guys. We need 60 likes at least. At least 60 likes. It's not much to ask. $84 entrants. Okay, here we go. You want to be a wiener. All right, here we go, guys. Should we shotgun? You know what? There's something weird going on, so we will shot. Oh, I didn't mean to pick the winner. We will shotgun here. We're going to go 1 minute on the clock. Going to have to re-enter. What up, Palm Tree? Exclamation point MM in the chat. You got 1 minute. Wait, hurry. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. Hold on 1 second. I forgot to hit confirm on the new time. And go. 1 minute. NQ is just starting to finally expand higher. So crazy how I sit here all that time looking for the long. And the long just don't pay. And then it goes. Then it finally goes. 30 seconds. We're green, so I guess can't complain too much, huh? $15 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meh. All right. And you know what we're going to do tonight? We got 64 entrants. So we do have 64 people in this thing. There we go. Let's hit the shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. We're not going to know who's who, but that's all right. Go! All right, trying to see who got the early jump there. I'm not quite sure yet. Looks like the light pink one up top maybe has the early jump. We'll see who doesn't pull back as much here. Really tight race. Okay, this little bitty purple one looks like they maybe have the lead. Pretty tight with the light pink one up there. Was this T.O.'s idea? No, but it would make sense, right? I don't know if T.O. is still here to see it. Who's the black one? I don't know. One of you guys. I think this purple one and the pink one, they're the ones going head to head. We got the dildo race. The dildo race. The purple one's got the lead. I don't know who it is. Let's go. Oh, that's Husk. Oh, yeah, that's Husk. And congratulations to the winner, Morning Bear. Let's go. Congratulations, Morning Bear. Look at the market just rocket ship now. That's so rude. So rude. Why is the black one so big? Well, for obvious reasons, right? The black one's from the Congo. The black one is from the Congo. Morning Bear, you know what to do, but there's my email, methodicalman@gmail.com. You have won yourself a 50K Lucid Flex account. Congratulations. Guys, remember, tonight's the last night for the Apex 90% off sale. $49 all in for the 50K accounts. Use code MYTH. Use code MM on every other prop firm. Take Profit Trader 40% off. Let me show you guys where we are. Well, actually, we'll show you in a minute, but I think we still need around 50 sales for the rest of the month. Use code MM 40% off TPT. Bulanox 90% off my Intonite. Code MM for Bulanox. Code MM1 if you want to get the option 2. My Funded Futures 50% off the Pro, the Rapid, and the Builder. Code MM. Trade Day 50% off. Code MM. Tradeify 40% off. Code MM. Lucid up to 50% off. Code MM. Funded Futures Network. Buy one get one free. 50% off. Code MM. Day Traders I think is 85% off everything. Code MM. Traders Launch. Code MM. You get it. Funded Next. Code MM. Whatever. It's all good. You want to help support the channel? That's the way to do it. Otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow morning. I might be live early tomorrow morning, guys, because we are going to be on the round table tomorrow with My Funded Futures at 9 a.m. So I might go live at 7, 7:30, something like that tomorrow morning. But I do appreciate you guys watching. I do think Husk is going to be going live here in about 20, 30 minutes. So join him if he does. And we will see you guys next time. Peace.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.